Not everything is made for everyone. Sometimes a specific thing suits one person but not another. Same is the case for chia seeds, which are famous for their different health benefits. But it is important to remember that even the most nutritious foods can have side effects. Today, we will learn some of the chia seeds' side effects that you must know. What are chia seeds? Chia seeds are tiny, edible seeds that belong to the mint family of plants. They are oval-shaped and mostly black or white. Chia seeds have been eaten for centuries and were a key food for the Aztecs and Mayans. Today, they are known as a superfood. This means they are rich in nutrients and have many surprising health benefits. Everyone praises them, from fitness buffs to dietitians. But here is the bad news. While chia seeds are nutritious, overconsumption can lead to side effects. Here are some side effects of chia seeds you should be aware of. Number 1. Digestive issues. It is true that chia seeds help ease digestion, but if not consumed properly, they can also cause chaos in the stomach. One of the main reasons people love chia seeds is their high fiber content. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 10 grams of fiber, nearly 40% of the recommended intake. Fiber is helpful for good digestion, right? Well, yes and no. While fiber is great for keeping your digestive system running smoothly, too much of it causes problems. How? It's because sometimes soluble fiber in chia seeds acts like tiny sponges that soak up water and expand in your stomach. They absorb liquid and turn into a thick, gel-like substance when you eat them. For some people, this process leads to fermentation in the gut. The fermentation occurs because the fiber is broken down by gut bacteria, producing gas as a byproduct. This gas accumulates and causes bloating, discomfort, and flatulence. Also, if your digestive system is not used to a high-fiber diet, the sudden increase in fiber from chia seeds overwhelms it, further worsening these symptoms. Besides, chia seeds can also cause constipation if they are not consumed with enough water. As mentioned earlier, the soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs liquid and forms a gel-like substance. This gel helps add bulk to stool and promotes regular bowel movements when sufficient fluid is present, but only if you are consuming enough water. Without adequate hydration, the fiber hardens in the digestive tract, leading to difficulty passing stool. To prevent this, it's beneficial to soak chia seeds in water or another liquid before consumption, and to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. This ensures that the fiber in chia seeds functions effectively, helping in smooth digestion and preventing constipation. To make chia seeds easier to digest, grind them into a powder or opt for sprouted chia seeds. Grinding chia seeds helps your body absorb their nutrients more efficiently. Sprouting chia seeds also increases nutrient availability and makes them easier to digest. Number 2. Choking hazard. Even though they are a powerful, nutritious food, chia seeds can pose a serious choking hazard. The main issue lies in chia seeds' remarkable ability to absorb water and expand. But did you know they expand up to 10 times their original size? That's too much. This property is beneficial for making you feel full and helping digestion, but it is also dangerous if the seeds swell in your throat or esophagus. Yeah, you heard it right. Sometimes they also cause a choking hazard. This happens especially if you eat dry chia seeds and then drink liquid. This causes seeds to expand immediately in your throat or esophagus. This rapid expansion creates a blockage, making it difficult to swallow or breathe. It is particularly dangerous for people with swallowing difficulties, known as dysphagia, or other conditions affecting the esophagus, such as esophageal strictures or motility disorders. To prevent this from happening, always soak chia seeds in water or another liquid for at least 5 to 10 minutes before consuming them. Adding chia seeds to moist foods is another effective way to ensure their safety. You can mix chia seeds into yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, or pudding. These foods naturally provide the liquid needed for the seeds to expand, ensuring they reach your stomach in a safe, gelled form. By understanding why chia seeds cause choking hazards and taking these precautions, you can safely enjoy the nutritional benefits of chia seeds. Number 3. Blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are famous for maintaining and regulating sugar levels, but not for everyone. They pose certain risks to blood sugar levels, especially for people with diabetes or blood sugar regulation issues. Chia seeds increase the effects of blood sugar-lowering medications, leading to hypoglycemia. It is a condition where blood sugar levels drop too low. It happens because the high fiber content in chia seeds slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This enhances the action of insulin or oral hypoglycemic agents, eventually increasing the risk of blood sugar levels dropping too low. So, if you are a diabetes patient, consult your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. But it's not risky only for sugar patients. Everyone should be careful as the gel-like structure of chia seeds in the stomach slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This leads to an inconsistent supply of glucose in the bloodstream, causing fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Also, consuming large quantities of chia seeds without balancing other aspects of the diet also leads to an imbalance in nutrient intake, further contributing to unpredictable blood sugar levels. This excessive fiber intake from chia seeds interferes with the body's ability to manage blood sugar levels. This leads to gastrointestinal distress, which indirectly affects how blood sugar is regulated. Also, pairing chia seeds with other foods with a high glycemic index overpowers their benefits, leading to rises and drops in blood sugar levels. Relax, guys. I am not saying to exclude chia seeds from your diet. Moderation is key. Avoid overconsumption and keep an eye on your body's sudden changes. Number 4. Blood pressure. Another major risk factor that you should know is changes in blood pressure. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, which have a blood pressure lowering effect. For people on medication for hypertension, consuming chia seeds leads to blood pressure dropping too low. It's because the nutrients in chia seeds enhance the antihypertensive drug effects, leading to an excessive drop in blood pressure. Also, the high fiber content in chia seeds interferes with the absorption of medications and nutrients in the digestive tract, leading to unpredictable fluctuations in blood pressure. This is concerning for those with conditions requiring stable blood pressure levels. Patients need to adjust their medication dosage before eating chia seeds, but this should only be done under the guidance of their doctor. Do you know that omega-3 fatty acids also have blood-thinning properties? Well, it is beneficial for heart health, but it also increases the risk of bleeding. If you have high blood pressure, consult your doctor before incorporating a significant amount of chia seeds into your diet. It is better to ensure that chia seeds are part of a balanced diet rather than relying on them heavily for nutrition. Stick to small recommended amounts of chia seeds, normally 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, to prevent excessive omega-3 fatty acids and fiber intake. Number 5. Allergic reactions. Allergic reactions to chia seeds are rare, but they can happen. But the question is, what causes these allergic reactions? Well, these allergic reactions occur when the immune system mistakenly identifies proteins in chia seeds as harmful substances and mounts an immune response against them. This response leads to a range of symptoms, from mild to severe. Mild symptoms include skin reactions such as rashes, hives, or itching, as well as gastrointestinal issues like stomach cramps, diarrhea, and vomiting. But in more severe cases, people also experience respiratory problems such as wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath, which escalate to anaphylaxis. For those who don't know, anaphylaxis is a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention. Anaphylaxis causes symptoms like swelling of the face, lips, and throat, difficulty breathing, a rapid drop in blood pressure, and loss of consciousness. It's not shocking how this tiny, powerful food causes these serious side effects. Well, it is a very rare case, and the risk of allergic reactions to chia seeds is higher in people with existing allergies to other seeds or nuts, as cross-reactivity can occur. Chia seeds are becoming more popular and are added to many food products. People who don't know they are sensitive to them accidentally eat them and have unexpected allergic reactions. So never ignore when your child complains about random irritation or itchiness on the skin. These minor reactions can turn into something more serious. Number 6. Kidney issues. Chia seeds are considered safe and nutritious, but they pose risks to kidney health in certain circumstances. One of the major concerns is their high oxalate content. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many plant-based foods. They bind with calcium in the body, forming crystals or stones that can accumulate in the kidneys or urinary tract. Consuming foods high in oxalates like chia seeds is risky for people prone to kidney stones or with a history of kidney issues, as they increase the risk of developing kidney stones. It is not only about oxalates. Chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber, which is mostly beneficial for digestive health and has some impact on kidney function. In some cases, a high-fiber diet increases the production of waste products that the kidneys must filter. This increased workload possibly strains the kidneys, especially in people with pre-existing kidney conditions or reduced kidney function. Don't be disheartened that you can't have chia seeds. Severe kidney issues directly caused by chia seeds are rare. They mostly worsen pre-existing kidney issues. However, everyone needs to be aware of these risks to make informed decisions about adding them to their diet. Number 7. Interaction of chia seeds with medications. Despite having health benefits, chia seeds interfere with medications due to their high fiber content. The fiber slows down the drug absorption in the digestive system, possibly reducing its effectiveness. This interaction is important for medications that require consistent and precise dosing to work properly. It is important for people taking medications to discuss with their doctor before adding chia seeds to their diet to ensure their medications continue to work as intended. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is balance. While chia seeds are undoubtedly a beneficial and healthy addition to your diet, it is important to consume them in moderation and be aware of their potential side effects. Enjoy the benefits of chia seeds, but don't go overboard. Start with small amounts and always listen to your body. If you experience any adverse effects, consult your doctor. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Until then, stay hydrated and stay healthy.